I'm the head coach for the trail group at Rogue, and the vibe is very chill, and although we run long and we really work hard, this is a really relaxed group who mostly just look forward to hanging out at the finish line together. I've been coaching with Rogue for the past 5 or 6 years, and we mostly train for ultras. Really any distance that's on trail, we can get you ready for it. Our style is to run together, run strong, push each other, run 1 week of speed, 1 week long run on the trail, and then everything else kind of depends on what the athlete is. We work on adding in mobility, working on nutrition, strength, and a lot of mental game strengthening. I mean, coaching philosophy is just show up. The people who show up and put in the work are the ones that get the most out of it. The ones that reach out to me and ask questions and ask for more attention are the ones that tend to get stronger and faster. So just reach out, and the more you ask, the more I'll give, and we can pretty much build this incredible endurance machine out of you. I mean, anybody looking to run trail, dabble in it, anybody that's been interested in doing ultras. We like to say that people who are okay with running for a long time are like dealing with some kind of demons or something. But we're just people who love to get out there and get dirty, run in beautiful places, and run together. Well, you can sign up on roguerunning.com under the trail button.